family, how are you doing? Karibu sana to my channel. My name is Faith, and here is a channel where we make various African delicacies on a budget friendly account. And in case this is your first time, believe me, this is a home that's gonna make you a better cook at the comfort of your home. Guys, today we are making matumbo, and I just learned recently that Matumbo is called tripe. Did you know about that? Matumbo is called tripe in English. Hey, okay. So guys, matumbo is a very tricky dish. Some really find it so hard to prepare because they prepare that like, oh, you want mchanga or this, that, you know. So I'm gonna give you some tips when it comes to matumbo. Wait, because it has also taken me a couple of times to prepare and actually understand this dish. So first thing, if you're really able to get a plug that can bring you the best matumbo and like wash it for you, cut it for you, you are good to go. But if you can't have that, let me tell you guys, when you go to the butcher and buy your matumbo, make sure that you wash that matumbo thoroughly. Wash those two pipes. I don't know how they're even called. Wash them nicely up to 8 times. Believe me, it's gonna save you. Then here's the second tip. After they are really clean, when you're boiling your matumbo, kindly let's add in ginger, garlic and salt to just make sure that our matumbo cooks tender. Because let me tell you, when your meat or when your matumbo is tender, you're gonna enjoy that dish. Okay, so with no more further ado, let's get into the recipe. Woo! All right, so with me here I have my matumbo. I have washed it thoroughly. They look, I'm not used to this matumbo. I'm used to the one that's black in color, but anywho's, it's all good. So after you have washed it up to 8 times, believe me, the better. Then we are going to add in big chunks of just garlic and ginger, just like that. Then let's now add in our salt, because when you do this, it's going to incorporate nicely and it's going to be as tender as it can. Then add in your water. Then to funicate, this is going to take 40 to 45 minutes. The better. Just be patient with it and you'll enjoy it. Let's check on our food. Nice. So at this point, I'm just going to drain this water because my matumbo looks nicely done and tender. So I'm just gonna drain this water and head to the next step. Add in your cooking oil in a sufuria. Next, we're going to add in our tomatoes. Next, we're going to add in salt, followed in by 1 beef cube. I'll be using 1 beef cube for this recipe. Then approximately 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Nishike sufuria. Okay. Then next we're just going to add in our matumbo. These days I'm really becoming a fan of coconut cream, coconut meal on my dishes, and also some peanut butter. So for today I'm just going to be using this Cara coconut cream. just to spice it up, okay? Nice. Then I'm gonna give this a nice mix. Let me give you a closer view. See that? Oh gosh, that's my kind of matumbo. You would love these guys. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. So let's add some little water because we want this food to cook nicely. I feel like it will be sour. So that's enough. Alright, that's good. So let's give it time to cook and come back. Ooh. So if you don't love matumbo, I know that this recipe has convinced you otherwise, and you're definitely gonna be a lover of this dish. Ooh, nice. It's a wrap from me to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know I have convinced 1, 2, 3 souls to actually try this recipe and also love matumbo the way I also do. Remember guys, when you're boiling, kindly use ginger and garlic because this food is tender, and you know there's nothing sweet as enjoying a delicious food that is so tender. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. This is amazing. Actually, I really want the next time I'll be doing this to actually have a guest. Never mind. Anyway, I was saying next time I want to have a guest to test this food because I'm telling you, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'll see. If I want to find one, I'll continue enjoying. Anyway, guys, bye. Please go buy matumbo. Go make this dish. Thank you. Much love.